Hey there, and welcome to Equestrian Connect. This self-running demo is designed to help you understand how to use Equestrian Connect to make horse show entries simple and easy. Throughout this demo, you'll learn how to search for shows, create horse show entries, and add new people and horses into your Equestrian Connect account. This is our homepage at equestrianconnect.com. This is where you'll log in to your Equestrian Connect account or create an account if you don't have one. There are also a few tabs at the top of the page that can help you navigate our site. This is your MyEqConnect. Think of it as your online barn. Here you can see the people in your account, the horses in your account, the shows that you've entered, and you can add credit cards in the account preferences. So now let's get started creating some entries. Click the Shows tab at the top of the page. The Shows page is where you will search for shows by organization. Once you find the show you would like to enter, you can click the Create Entries button on the right, or you can click the show's name. Either way will get you to the next step. This is where the entry process begins. You can see the show details, contact information, submission options, and downloads and links. Those are things like blank entry forms or schedules, even the premium book. Now, click Create Entries. This is where you'll see any important information about the horse show you're entering. After reading, select either print and mail or electronic entry. If the show supports electronic entry, those are definitely the way to go. Step 1 is where you'll select the horses that you would like to enter. You can do entries for one horse or for all the horses in your barn. All you need to do is check the box next to each horse that you wish to enter. At this step, you can also select your stall type and the number of stalls you'll need. When you're done, press Next. Step 2 is where you'll add your entry details. You can select owner, trainer, and rider, along with a few other things. If you have a horse going to a show with a new rider, it's really easy to change. You just go to the drop-down menu and select the person you'd like. You can also add your credit card at this step, which is often required for electronic entries. Step 3 is where you select your show fees and your classes. Once you've selected the applicable fees and the classes, you do that for each of the horses that you're going to enter by clicking Next Horse. Once you've done it for each of the horses, click Next. Once you've completed Step 3, you've made it through the entry process. You're done, and all you need to do is download your entries. This is one of the entries that we just made for the Cactus Reining Classic. As you can see, the entries are clear and very easy to read. Creating an entry in 1 minute seems crazy, but as you can see, we just did it. In the following slides, I'm going to show you how to add people and horses to your account. The MyEqConnect page is where we're going to start. We want to add people before horses, and to do that, you just click Add Person. The first question to ask yourself when adding a person is whether or not they have an NRHA number. For this purpose, we're going to assume that you know the NRHA number of the person you're adding, so click Yes. Now that you've selected Yes, put the NRHA number in the search bar and click Search. After pressing Search, you will be brought to the Add New Person screen. Make sure that you fill out each of the required fields, which will be highlighted in red. When you are done adding all of the information you would like, press Save. After clicking Save, you will see that the new person has been added to your My People on your MyEqConnect page. The next thing we're going to do is add horses. Start by clicking the My Horses tab. This is your My Horses tab. You can add horses directly from here. The process of adding a horse is much like the process of adding a person. So, for this purpose, let's suppose that you do know the NRHA number of the horse you are adding. Click Yes. Again, enter the NRHA number into the search bar and click Search. After clicking Search, you will be brought to the Add New Horse screen. Here, you can add the horse's name, birth date, and breeding information. You will also be able to select the horse's owner from the drop-down menu. That menu lists people that have already been added to your My People list. When you are done, click Save. As you can see, the horse that you selected to save has been added to your My Horses page in your My at Connect. You will also see at the top of the My Horses list there is a barn account. That is there and available for your use. So that's it. We've basically done it all. We've done entries, we've added people, and we've added horses. So now it's time to try us out. Don't delay and register now for a free 45-day trial. You can enter your next horse show through Equestrian Connect. We wish you much luck in your next competition and throughout your entire show season.